Hey everybody, I'm the Gaming King 101, well, Super Awesome Gaming 101, and today I'm going to be playing some more Minecraft. I got a lot more worlds than I did last time, so this is going to be pretty exciting. This is going to be a redstone creative world. Now, you'll see what I'm talking about. Now, when I push this lever, I do this, and you'll see what happens. Oh, come on. It doesn't even work anymore. Never mind. Now, as you can see, I've done a lot of other stuff with this map. So, yeah. Also, there are these random holes in the ground that I did not make. Pretty cool, huh? Anyway, I'm going to be creating a lot of redstone stuff here. So, let's see. This is just going to be a an interview thing. So, I'm going to be talking a lot in this video. Now as you can see, I'm playing Minecraft Pocket Edition, which, well, yeah. Right now, I'm making a secret chest opening thing. So, yeah. Oh, wait, no. That's on the wrong one. It has to be right there. So then, there. Now, I'm gonna make the floor to this now, so this is gonna take a while. Sorry about this. Dang it. I'm sorry about all the noise outside my room. Jamie just got a new cup and now she's trying to find a lid for it. Not the lid to it, a lid to it, because it didn't come with a lid, apparently. Wait, I can fly. I don't have to do this. Get away, chicken. Please. Now, I just installed this app, and I've been pretty excited about it. That. Does that all the time, you know? Also, I got this request from not one of my subscribers, because I only have 2 subscribers, or any comments because none of my videos have any comments. I'm very downgraded channel right now. So yeah, my channel is very low, so yeah. Let's see. Do this. There. There. see. What else can I do? And oh, I have an idea. I found this life hack. I mean, office supply thing where it's like you put a dispenser with water bottles in it, and when you push the button, water comes out, and it has this glass block on top of it. And a button. So yeah, I'm gonna build that. Yeah. This is gonna take a while. So yeah, I have to fill that. I have to put water bottle now 5 more times. I just really hope this app gets everything that I say clearly. Like, I don't want it doing like, I don't want it glitching out and doing like you could barely hear me. I really hate when it does that. Now, there, finally. There, water dispenser. Oh, I don't want a block of iron. A block of quartz. Now, my favorite one is the chair, which is actually pretty cool. What you will need is, I like the oak wood slab, and then you'll need some trapdoors, and then so there, turn into a nice thing. Then just for decoration, I think a computer will be nice. Yeah, this is gonna take me a while. There we go. I'm sorry, this is gonna take me a while. No, it's not gonna work. Man. Anyway, this video is exactly 9 minutes and 20 seconds. So yeah. It'll take me a while to do all this. And there. Nope. 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 There. I could do better if I could, but I really don't have the time. And I guess we don't have this. I guess we don't need this anymore. So there. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave your thoughts in the comments below, and I hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye.